Most drivers have seen a dashboard warning light pop up and thought, "I'll deal with that later." But ignoring those service lights could end up costing you far more than you expect. Motoring experts are warning that putting off essential maintenance doesn't just risk expensive repairs, it could actually leave you uninsured. If you're involved in an accident and it's found that a known fault, like worn tires, faulty brakes, or an engine warning light, played a part, your insurer could refuse to pay out. That means you could be left covering thousands of pounds in damages yourself. With repair costs on the rise, it's tempting to delay a trip to the garage. But experts say this could backfire, both financially and legally. According to the Department for Transport, defective vehicles are responsible for around 1,300 collisions every year in Great Britain, about 3% of all accidents. It's not just about insurance either. The law requires every driver to keep their vehicle safe and roadworthy. Failing to do so can result in fines of up to 2,500, 3 penalty points, or even a driving ban. Simple checks like replacing worn tires, making sure your brakes work, and keeping all lights and mirrors clean are all part of staying roadworthy. Ignoring a dashboard warning light might seem harmless, but it could have serious consequences. So next time a service light comes on, don't ignore it. Taking care of your car now could save you money, protect your insurance, and help keep everyone safer on the roads.
Quote Zone Insurance Comparison. Find a better